everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today will be a roundup of all my August makes, as well as some plans I have for September. So first of all, welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I greatly appreciate it, and thank you for those who continue to tune in every week. So not wearing me made today. It's a nice long weekend. We have Labor Day coming up on Monday. I'm just wearing my natural hair t-shirt because I'm in my sewing studio all weekend long, and I'm just looking forward to that. Prayers out to those who are in the path of Hurricane Dorian. I pray that you all find shelter, and that perhaps it will just miss as much of the states as possible. So you all know it is very rare for me to do plans videos this year. I've gotten away from doing those. If you recall from a few videos ago, I just kind of want to go with where I'm at, what I'm feeling in the moment, and not really set myself on certain things. There are obviously certain months where I do have things I know I want to do during that time frame. And so this month is one of those months. It is September, and we're kicking things off with some plans that are very specific to September. So let me get into it. First of all, thank you everybody for all your wonderful comments, your feedback and everything from my swimsuit, my Cashmere Ipswich swimsuit. Thank you so much for the love. For those who asked what other swimsuit patterns I am considering, I have a couple in my stash. I have Mimi G's 1116. I do have that one, and I also have Butterick 5795. And so after looking at both of these, this 5795, I am loving these versions. Let me tell you which one I'm thinking I'm gonna do. This is not for September. This is just to share with those who asked. But there's a view, see, this one is a view BEF, and this is CF. And so if you look at the line drawings, you see what BEF is and what C, which is the long, and then F over here. So, oh my gosh, I want to do both of those. About that, the camera cut off. But I am all about this with the little shorts underneath, and this one with the shorts underneath, and then with the overlay. They're so super cute. So yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. But anyway, that's not part of my September plans. Just wanted to answer that question that several of you had from the last video. Okay, so what are my plans for September? So coming up in September is Sew Man Pants. You know, that is hosted by Vivian in conjunction with myself, Myra, Lorraine, Lifting Pins and Needles, and ElizabethMadeThis. I will leave their channels, their Instagram down below. Throughout the month of September is all about sewing for your man. I believe this is or your son or uncle, dad, whomever, sewing for a man throughout the month of September. I want to say this is her 3rd year. So much fun, and I am, of course, participating in what I will be making in the month of September. So you all know I had made my husband the cargo shorts and the polo top, and I said I want to make them two more or 3 more of each. And so I will be taking care of that this month. Plus, I will be doing his Quadra jeans by Thread Theory. And so I actually picked up, this time I made it. Joann Fabrics, for those who follow me on Instagram, know I made a mistake on that. But Joann Fabrics had their denim doorbuster sale yesterday, so it's over with. But it was 60% off. And so I picked up my husband this, not all that exciting, but it's a dark denim, and what I'll be using as for the top stitching is this color, and then for his pockets I saw this batik, and they had the fat quarters, the thread, and zippers on sale. Buy 3 get 2 free. So I believe I ended up getting a thread free, but the batik fat quarters I'll be using for the inside for his pockets. So I'm excited about that, and I picked up a zipper to match. jean zipper form as well. And so I am excited about that. I will make him 2 more pair of cargo pants and 3 more polo shirts. Now, thank you for the suggestions on the polo shirt that's by Norris, but his didn't have a collar. It was flat. And so I am going to go ahead and do the J-Lee again, noting the things I should do differently. And so you all will see towards the end of the month. Actually, the quadra dreams are part of my Make 9, and so which I'll pop up right here, and so that I'll get Make 9 off the list, plus get a couple other polo shirts for him off the list and a couple more pair of pants. And then, so stay tuned. I am going to do, let's see here, let me tell you what's coming up next. So on Wednesday, do not miss Wednesday. I'm just putting it out there. Don't miss my Wednesday video. It is quite exciting, and I will be revealing the handbag that I made for my mother. That's a total surprise for her. She don't watch YouTube, but so total surprise for her. So I will be sharing that on Wednesday. But you definitely don't want to miss that video. Have something fun coming up. And then next week, Sunday, and I'll talk a little bit about this in my those videos that are coming up. So I appreciate the audience that I have and the viewerships and subscribers that I have, and it's a very mixed of bag of you who like the custom, the things I'm doing for my blocks, and many of you like the patterns, and you want to see the reviews and adjustments I make to patterns. And so, and then some of you just like both. You're here for both. And so what I'm going to do is on Sundays we'll begin things that I'm making from my blocks, and then during the week will be more of those things I'm doing from patterns with any adjustments I've made. Don't hold me to that. That is the plan, because I want to definitely make sure that I am serving both audiences, those who like one or the other or who like both. You're going to get them both. And so that's what I have decided to do, to as much as possible make sure I keep doing my custom, my blocks and things I've created, but also do patterns, because there's quite a few patterns in my stash I have not sewn up yet that I want to go ahead and sew up. Many of you asked about my adjustments that I've made, and you know, things that I make and grading and all that. I want to be able to share that with you. So excited. My camera that I've been talking about will be here any day now. So yeah, quality and everything of the videos will be changing. So I'm very excited about that. I'm looking at my notes. So now I am going to go ahead and transition to a roundup of all of the things that I made in the month of August. It doesn't include my custom, my block shirt. That'll be in another video because I'm going to follow up on what I end up doing for that, the cowl neck. But it includes everything that I have made throughout the month of August, which will come in the form of a montage, because what I have done for the first time, I don't do this often, you guys know I don't do vlogging or anything like that, but I thought it was fun because this time on our trip, as you all know, I hung out with Myra, my husband, and our husbands, and we all hung out, and so I did capture some vlogging, us going out to eat, different things like that. The hotel we stayed at was a resort. Absolutely gorgeous resort in Fort Lauderdale, right on the beach. Just gorgeous. You'll see all of that. That's coming up in this short little vlog, and throughout the vlog you will see me adding in pictures from the month of August of everything I made with the pattern reference. You can go back to those individual videos. I'll leave links down below or iCards, wherever you'll see them in the description box or up in the iCard. You can find out what pattern it is, the fabric. I've linked to whatever I could in those individual videos. I won't do that in this video. You'll just have to go back to those videos. So that is my roundup for the month of August, and also the plans that I had for September. I will also be doing the Sew News capsule wardrobe. I'm waiting on the last couple pieces of fabric to come on in. Those should be here within the next day or two. So though that plans video, along with my wardrobe staple, which for those who've been following me, you know that was homework that I never finished from 2018 from my sewing fashionistas class, and I thought this was the perfect opportunity to transition into that. So you will see quite a bit of what's coming up in September. I'm very excited about it, and towards the end of the month is when you'll see the review for the Quadra men's jeans, as well as the other things that I've made for the husband for Sew Man pants. So a lot of information will be in the description box for Sew Man pants, for the videos I'm talking about. And you all enjoy this vlog, enjoy this montage, and I will see you on Wednesday. Make sure you hit that bell. I promise you don't want to miss Wednesday's video. All right, everybody, y'all have a blessed week. Bye.
Okay, so you might remember from my Minerva.com make, the dress, the front came down pretty low, that V-neck. So I said I wanted to add that modesty panel. And so I have done that here. I'm showing for those who wanted to see how I did it. I just have a piece of fabric that I am making sure covers the opening. And I'm just laying it out here. And then I am going to stitch over this top piece across the top, and then make sure that those pieces meet both sides. And then here, as you can tell, I went ahead and stitched it across the top. Then I'm just measuring before I stitch it down that both sides were equal from the shoulder down to that opening part, just to make sure that everything was laying properly. I pinned it in place, and I went ahead and stitched it in, and this is how it looks. Here is the modesty panel added to that dress, and I'll show you the inside. Here is the inside here, and yeah, that is it. She is all done. So this is shopping with Myra. We went to Rex Fabrics. You'll have to go to her video to check out all the details. But this is the men's section. This was put together so beautifully. Just beautiful. They had some gorgeous men fabrics. And then this leather one, the zipper on it, the closures, everything on it is just awesome, 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 awesome. Loved it. In our final night, we are at Ceviche 105 and gonna have dinner with the husbands out. So we will show you them. There are the husbands. It's wet outside. Well, I'll come back in and show you what we picked from this lovely menu. This is dinner. Wrapping up our food for tonight.